Hey guys, this is Balu from Balu Prime and once again welcome you all back for an exciting tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how we can create this kind of videos in After Effects using Element 3D plugin easily. So hope you guys will find the tutorial useful, but before going to that, if you end up liking this video, please click on that like button to share this content, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing my channel and support me. So further without any ado, let's begin today's video. So here we are in After Effects. Now let's start this by creating a new composition. So click on this new composition, come to this preset options. Here I'm selecting this HD1080, which is a full HD resolution with a frame rate of 24 and duration of 6 seconds. Hit OK. So now let's create a background layer. So go to this layer options and new create a solid. Let me rename this as BG, make it as comp size and hit OK. So now come to this effects and presets panel. If you're not finding this panel here, go to this window and enable effects and presets and look for gradient ramp, such as ramp here. So select this gradient ramp and drop it onto this background layer. So in start color I will change this to red. Choose your preferred colors here. So end color I will change this to black, and ramp shape radial, and I will increase the scattering value here like this. Okay. So now let's create another solid layer for Element 3D. So again go to this layer options, new create a solid. Now let me rename this as element and hit OK. So now come to this effects and presets once again and look for element. So this is a third party plugin, we need to download and install it separately. So select this element and drop it onto this element layer. Now click on this scene setup. So here you can see we got a new window open to work in Element 3D. So now let's import our skull model here. So I have downloaded this model from free3d.com. Download link in the description if you want to use the same. So let me import that one. So click on that import button and select the file. So let it be from bottom and hit OK. So here you can see we got this skull model here. So let me increase the scaling here a bit. So come to the scaling options and let me increase the scaling like 500. Okay. And let me rotate this one. So select this rotate option and let me rotate, or else you can rotate this here 270. Nice. So let me move this above just to the grid. So let me place this anchor point at the center. So select this one and let me move this pivot point here and again close this. Okay. So here you can see we got this skull model. So let me change the material here. So people come to this preset physical and I will apply this chrome. Okay, or else let me try this one. Nice. Okay, so here you can see we got our model in group 1 folder. So now right click on this model, duplicate the model. Now select this below model and drag it outside of that group and change the group to 2. So in group 1 we got one model and in group 2 also we got another model. So now hit OK. So here you can see we got our model here. So in order to view this in 3D space in After Effects, we need to create a camera layer. So go to this layer options, new camera, and preset I will change this to 35mm and hit OK. So now select this camera tool and here now we can see our model in 3D space. Nice. So let me zoom it up a bit. So select this tool here and let me bring it here. Okay. Nice. So now come to this group 2 option, particle replicator. So in replicator shape change this to ring. Okay, and let me increase this shape scale to 20 and also let me increase this particle count to 8. So here you can see we got these skulls around our main skull. So let's reduce the scaling of these skulls. So come to this particle look and let me reduce the scale to 5 and let's place this position here. Okay, nice. So if you want to change the texture or material on this skull, we can do that. Simply go to this scene setup. Now select the model which you want to change. Now select the skull which you want to change. So if I want to change this into gold, let me change this to gold. Okay, so if I click OK, now you can see we got this skull model inside one gold and other in chrome material. Nice. So now come to this particle look once again and come to this rotation option and let me rotate this in minus 90. Okay, nice. So now scroll up and come to this rotation of this particle replicator, be on the first frame, enable keyframe of this Y rotation and move to the last frame, and let's give it minus value, so minus 360. Okay, so if I play this, you can see we got this skulls rotating around this golden skull. So if you want to reduce the speed, rotating speed, let me change this one and let me give this to minus 180 only. Okay, nice. So here we got the speed of this rotation a bit slower. Okay, now come to this group 1. Let's animate this golden skull a bit. So come to this particle replicator and be on this first frame, enable keyframe of this position X and Y. Okay, now move 10 frames forward by using shift plus page down to move 10 frames forward, and let me change the position here a bit, like 500. Okay, now again move 10 frames, use shift plus page down to move 10 frames and change it to 540 once again. Okay, so now let me come to this keyframes, press U on the keyboard to get those keyframes, select these 3 keyframes. Okay, now hold Alt key and click on this stopwatch, click on this play button like symbol, property and loop out and hit enter. So this middle skull will be continuously changing its position like that. Okay, so if you want to reduce the speed of that movement also, select all the keyframes, hold Alt key, now select this last keyframe and increase the distance between those keyframes. So now that oscillation will be okay, nice. So now come to this camera layer, expand it, come to this camera options and enable depth of field here. So let me increase this aperture value to 100, and now let's play with this focus distance. So I will change this to 800. This is a manual process, you need to adjust this focal distance. So let me change this to 650, 1000. Okay, so now let me reduce this aperture to 20. Okay, so in this way we can create this kind of videos in After Effects using Element 3D plugin. So hope you guys have learned something new from this tutorial. If you have learned anything new, please like, share and subscribe my channel to support me. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, signing off, take care, bye.